If you are an American man over the age of 50, you have likely noticed subtle, frustrating changes in your biology. You wake up with less energy. Your strength in the gym plateaus. Your midsection accumulates stubborn fat, and that sharp, aggressive drive you relied on in your 30s feels diminished. This is not simply getting old.
According to endocrinological data, starting at age 30, a man's total testosterone drops by approximately 1% every year. By age 55, nearly 40% of men suffer from clinically low testosterone.
To combat this, millions of men reach for fresh fruit every morning, believing they are fueling their bodies with pure, natural vitality.
But here is the biological paradox. Certain common fruits trigger rapid insulin spikes and inflammatory pathways
that actively suppress your Leydig cells and convert your free testosterone directly into estrogen. Here at Apex Longevity, our mission is to provide you with clinical blueprints to optimize your biology.
In today's protocol, we are exposing the everyday fruits that are quietly destroying your male hormonal axis and revealing the precise 4 endocrine repair fruits scientifically proven to lower SHBG, block the aromatase enzyme,
and naturally restore your free testosterone levels without synthetic TRT. Welcome to your optimized future. To protect your masculine biology, you must understand how testosterone is produced and how it is stolen. Testosterone is manufactured inside specialized Leydig cells in your testes, driven by luteinizing hormone released from your pituitary gland. Once synthesized, testosterone enters your bloodstream in 2 primary forms: bound testosterone and free testosterone. Over 97% of your total testosterone is locked away, bound tightly to a transport protein called SHBG, sex hormone binding globulin, or albumin. Bound testosterone is biologically inactive. It cannot enter your cells, it cannot build muscle, and it cannot power your motivation or libido. Only free testosterone, the unbound 3%, can dop into androgen receptors and execute its biological commands. Your daily hormonal production is constantly threatened by 2 metabolic enemies. First is hyperinsulinemia. Every time you experience a massive blood sugar spike, your pancreas floods your system with insulin. Chronically elevated insulin directly signals the pituitary gland to downregulate luteinizing hormone, effectively shutting down production at the Leydig cell source. Second is the aromatase enzyme. This specific enzyme resides inside visceral belly fat. Aromatase performs a process called aromatization, literally stealing your circulating testosterone molecules and chemically converting them into estradiol, the primary form of estrogen. If you carry excess abdominal fat and consume high-glycemic foods, your body becomes an estrogen factory, draining your testosterone before it can ever be utilized. Let's analyze the everyday fruits that accelerate this endocrine destruction. Saboteur number 1, high-glycemic bananas. While bananas are famous for potassium, a single large, ripe banana contains up to 30 grams of fast-acting carbohydrates. Consumed alone on an empty stomach, it causes a sharp glycemic surge. This rapid insulin spike triggers systemic inflammation and suppresses the hypothalamic pituitary gonadal axis for hours. If you eat a banana, choose a slightly green one, rich in resistant starch, and pair it with raw almonds to flatten the insulin curve. Saboteur number 2, dehydrated dried fruits. Raisins, dried dates, figs, and dried cranberries are metabolic traps. Removing the water content condenses the natural sugars. A single small handful of dried dates delivers 50 grams of concentrated fructose with 0 hydration. Fructose travels directly to the liver, driving non-alcoholic fatty liver development and skyrocketing baseline insulin resistance, the primary driver of low SHBG and low free testosterone. Saboteur number 3. Processed fruit juices and high fructose grapes. Commercial grape juice and orange juice are stripped of intact structural fiber. Liquid fructose bypasses normal digestive checks, flooding the portal vein, overloading liver mitochondria, and fueling visceral fat synthesis. More visceral fat means higher aromatase activity, converting your precious testosterone directly into estrogen. Now, let's explore the 4 cellular agents proven to reverse this damage and restore your endocrine architecture. Agent number 1, the pomegranate protocol. Celebrated since ancient times as a symbol of virility, pomegranates are backed by modern clinical trials. Research published in endocrinology journals shows that daily intake of pure pomegranate juice for 2 weeks increased salivary testosterone levels by an average of 24%. Pomegranates achieve this because they are packed with elagitannins and punicalagins, powerful polyphenols that act as natural aromatase inhibitors. By blocking the aromatase enzyme, pomegranates prevent testosterone from converting into estrogen. Furthermore, they lower cortisol, the primary stress hormone that directly competes with testosterone at the cellular receptor level. Agent number 2, avocado, monounsaturated lipid matrix. Technically a fruit, the avocado is an essential hormonal food. Testosterone is a steroid hormone, meaning its chemical backbone is derived directly from cholesterol. Avocados provide dense, monounsaturated fatty acids that supply the Leydig cells with the exact lipid building blocks required for hormone synthesis. Additionally, avocados are rich in magnesium and boron. Boron is a trace mineral clinically demonstrated to reduce serum SHBG levels. By lowering SHBG, boron unbinds locked testosterone, dramatically increasing your circulating free testosterone pool within 7 days. Citrus fruits deliver high doses of vitamin C, ascorbic acid, and citrus bioflavonoids. Ascorbic acid protects the delicate nitric oxide pathway inside your blood vessels. Nitric oxide causes blood vessels to dilate, improving systemic circulation, oxygen delivery, and erectile tissue response. Furthermore, vitamin C directly protects Leydig cell mitochondria from oxidative damage, ensuring sustained hormone production even under physical or mental stress. Always consume the whole fruit rather than squeeze juice to keep fiber intact. Agent number 4, dark berries, blueberries and blackberries. Dark berries are low glycemic powerhouses loaded with anthocyanins and quercetin. Chronic low-grade inflammation, inflammaging, is a primary cause of age-related Leydig cell atrophy. Quercetin inhibits inflammatory cytokines like IL-6 and TNF-alpha, cooling testicular tissue inflammation and allowing Leydig cells to operate at peak biological efficiency. Because berries have a minimal glycemic load, they supply potent antioxidants without triggering an insulin spike. To optimize your masculine biology, execution must be strategic. Here is your official Apex Male Hormonal Rotation Protocol. Daily baseline. Eat half a fresh avocado daily with lunch or dinner to provide the monounsaturated fats and boron required to lower SHBG and unbind free testosterone. Morning protocol. Monday/Wednesday/Friday. Consume half a cup of organic blueberries or blackberries alongside a protein source like eggs to suppress oxidative stress without spiking insulin. Midday protocol. Tuesday/Thursday/Saturday. Drink 4 to 6 ounces of 100% pure, unsweetened pomegranate juice, or eat fresh pomegranate arils to inhibit the aromatase enzyme and lower cortisol. Post-workout protocol. Eat 1 whole orange or grapefruit to protect nitric oxide pathways and support vascular recovery. The golden rule. Eliminate all commercial fruit juices, dried fruit snacks, and high-sugar fruit smoothies. Your endocrine system is remarkably resilient. When you stop flooding your liver with concentrated fructose and supply your Leydig cells with targeted bioactive compounds, your free testosterone can recover naturally. Take control of your male biology today. If you found this clinical breakdown valuable, hit the like button right now. Share this video with a friend who needs to optimize his health, and subscribe to Apex Longevity for more evidence-based biological blueprints. Stay disciplined, and we will see you in the next protocol.